is up? Birdies in the Beehive. Nick here. This is actually an episode of Birdies outside the Beehive. I'm down here in Scottsdale, Arizona at Vista del Camino Park to play in the 9 holes that are currently in at Shelley Sharpe Memorial. I decided that I didn't want to bring any discs that I really care about and want to keep nice for tournament play in Utah. So I had to do another round in Salt Lake and picked out some awesome used discs for this week. So I'll walk through what I'm using this week for here, and I'm gonna go play Fountain Hills tomorrow. I'm putting with the Meridian Discs Tundra. These things are sweet. I love the swirls. So those are gonna be my putting putters. For throwing putters, for like an overstable, I have the Pro Discus Jokery, which I'm really excited to throw down here. I threw these a little bit back in Utah to get kind of a baseline, but they definitely gonna fly different here in Arizona. And then for like a straight understable, I have an End Blend Tomb. And then for like my overstable approach disc, I have a Finish Line Chicane. I also really tried to not put discs in here that I normally bag, so I can try some new stuff out. A couple of like smaller brands, things of that nature. So mid-range lineup. For understable, I have a Fuse, Latitude 64 Fuse. For straight, I have a Latitude 64 Compass. And for overstable, kind of crossover between mid and fairway, is the Infinite Discs Galleon. This thing was beefy in Utah. So excited to see how that's going to fly down here. Driver lineup. For straight to stable, I have a MVP Volt that I found in the used section, which is nice. For understable, I have a Doomsday Blackout, which I've never thrown before, but it's sick. I mean, look at this stamp with the skull and the rainbows and stuff. Plastic feels great too. And then for my distance drivers, I have a DGA Hurricane. So pretty, like in Utah, it had a little bit of flip up. Here, I think it's going to be pretty straight. And then for my overstable, I have a Dynamic Disc Sergeant. This is a really cool one that I found. It's got like this rainbow die, and it's like a 10th year anniversary edition type of thing. So that's what I'm throwing this week. I may swing by the local disc golf shop here and pick up a disc at some point, depending on how many I lose today. The hole one is right out there. It's 341. We're gonna go 2 off the tee, 2 off the first. We have kind of a head right to left wind. I'm gonna go Volt. I'm gonna try to go left, like in between those 2 poles. I'm kind of pulling it, but it worked. Okay, it's out there. It's not great. It's not terrible. I'm gonna try the same line with the Sergeant. Fight for me. Fight back. Fight back. Okay, we're gonna have a long putt either way at it. The Volt was a little short left. The Sergeant got almost pin high. Got about a 50-footer. First putt of the day. Into a headwind. Yes! Let's go. Made a big putt on one. first putt of the day. Here on hole 2, 287 feet. It's under the tree there on the left, and looks like it's up on an extendo basket. Straight headwind, pretty much. I'm gonna go chicane backhand. I'm gonna go pretty flat right at it. Wide, bring it left. Woo! Like 7 feet short. Alright, this may be a really bad idea, but I think I can just tap this in. POV. Got it. 2 for 2. Hole 3, 222. Over the water. Ripping headwind. I think this is the time to let the galleon show its feet. Beforehand. Short, but it's out there.
Have a great day.
You too. Definitely left it a little shorter than I would like. Seems to be calming a little bit, which is nice. 30-footer. Things definitely fly a little warm down here. We gotta take that into consideration. Alright, car on 3. Hole 4. Par 3. 324 feet. Low ceiling hallway. Water on the left. Yeah, I'm gonna go vault. Try to go right side on a little bit of hyzer. It's that tree. Right? Skip up. Sit. Friggin' parked. It's that tree. Right? Skip up. Sit. Ooh, what a beautiful place to throw some plastic circles. Whew, I was close to skipping, but alas, birdie. Whew, we're feeling good, actually, which is great. Hole 5. A few folks finish up ahead of us. Hole 5, though, is 325 on the hill there. Maybe forehand or backhand. Okay. Here's what we're gonna do. Once they finish up, I'm gonna go backhand as my real shot with the bolt, and forehand with the hurricane for a fun. I'm loving this weather though. Holy cow! Every morning it's like frosty on the ground right now, and then when the sun comes out and it warms up a little bit, it's super muddy because all the frost melts. Okay, I'm gonna go high, wide, and right. Maybe not too far right. That looks pretty muddy. Now get down. Get down. A little short, but not bad. Let's try hurricane on the forehand. was coming out with some steam. Really left the bolt. That was close. Tap in my par here. Okay, hole 6. It says 280 something for the tee pad, but it's in a different location. I think this is about 350. Red basket up on the hill. I'm gonna try to hide the flip and turn. It's huge. Okay, so the height. Oh, that just hit the pole. What a great shot. You cannot be much more parked than that. Like I said, just tapped the pole ever so gently, and here we are, nice little birdie. Hole number 7. 394 feet. Really not much in the way. Way down there on the hill. Real shot. Charger. And then I'm going to do a shot right there. Try to go high and flat. A little bit of a tailwind now. Okay, we're going to do the hurricane high. Okay, that's out there. First one probably went out right here. Just down there. Alright, I'm not set for that. Should be an easy-ish putt. I don't want to take it too bad. A little uphill. A little bit of wind. Oh, I like the bow. Gotta get it up. It goes in. Woo. 5. That hurts. Okay. Hole number 8. Par 3, 277, up there on the hill. I'm going to take 5 shots at it. The Jokery, which is my first one, is going to be my real shot that I'm going to score. But this feels like one that is aceable, so I want to give it a couple runs. Get left a little. Oh, that's good. That's really good. Okay, fuse. These are just ace runs for fun. Flippy, get down. Okay, step on the hill. Compass. Okay, right. Oh, turn. That's a pretty good line. Let's try a couple forehands. Chicane first. Yeah, I
stallion should be able to pull over on this one. It's gonna be high right. Nothing short. Not terrible. Here's the jokery, which was my first shot. Tapping a birdie there. Hole number 9. We're looking at 222. Not so far. Cross a little late. Right there. The other side. I'm gonna go. This is another one I'm gonna take a few shots at. Chicane is my real shot. Make a putt. Last couple holes on the back 9, or the front 9, kind of ate me alive. So we're gonna make some adjustments. Run it back. Currently sitting at 1 down through 9. Gonna do a lot less commentary and just more play on the back 9. Definitely left myself with what I would like. Okay, so I had to stop after 11 holes. I've got to get back for spouse duties, which I'm happy to do and have a good time doing it. But finished 1 down through 11, so I'm pretty happy about that. Started off great. Kind of had just really those two bad holes. I think it was 7 and 9 that just kind of ate my lunch, but not bad. I'm gonna go check out the shop here, spinners on the green, and then go to a spouse lunch. fountain going off at Fountain Hills. Oh, the disc golf basket right there.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, hole 9 at Fountain Hills in Arizona. About 300, kind of around this tree, behind another tree. I'm going to take the Doomsday Blackout. Let's do a little standstill here, see if I can get this to flip up and push. Oh, that went right above the basket. That was cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there's where the Blackout ended up. Let's see if I can. Birdie.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
All right, hole 10 at Fountain Hills. It's this touchy little 240-foot shot right down there by the water. I'm gonna go galleon, kind of wide hyzer. Oh, hot dang.
Right down there. Nice. Stuck the landing. See if I can drop the putt. Yep. Birdie.
Hole 12, Fountain Hills. It's about 310 feet up the hill to the right. I'm going to throw this Blackout again on the left and try to drag it up and over to the right. Yeah, hold it. Oh, that's up. That's on the green.
Okay, here's where the Blackout ended up. Tickled pink about that throw. Birdie.
Hole 13 at Fountain Hills. 402 down in the trees there. I was throwing this yesterday, this hurricane, and it was a little bit flippy for me. So I'm going to try to kind of curve to the right there. Oh, too far right. Roll. Okay, it's up there. All right, hole 14, 286, it's down there, kind of by the path. Don't want to go too far. I'm going to throw the chicane wide and probably on a little bit of hyzer. Not wide enough. Okay, that's safe.
That's good. Okay, there's where the chicane ended up. Literally 2 inches inside the circle. Let's try to knock this down. Oh, almost got it.
All right, hole 15 is going back up the hill. It's about 250. I'm gonna go volt wide because I think this will skip. Oh, too wide. Get left. Get left. Four. Oh, that was.
Go.
You good?
Yep.
Hole 16, 373. It's down in between, right behind that tree back there. I'm gonna try to get there with a fuse. Try to hyzer flip it wide, have it push, and then settle back to the right. Okay, hole 17. This is the hole I've been looking forward to all day. It's 460, downhill, right at the water. Take the sergeant, get able to rip. I'm going to try one more with the... Did you all see where that landed?
I didn't. I'm a horrible cameraman, by the way.
You're good. Coming left. That was better. I'm going to go to the C pin, which is 397. Way out there. I'm going to go hurricane. Try to get it high and flat. Let it ride. Yeah. Hold it. Oh no, that's going left. That's it.
Oh, and the drink.
Whew.
I think we get that one back.
Alright, here's this last hole I'm gonna play is hole 20. It's 233. Right behind the tree right there. And I'm gonna empty my bag, trying to get an ace. Okay. First up, putters. Alright, park a little higher. That's a good line. Wide. Approach chicane. Do it, do it. Oh! Blackout. Oh, didn't flip it up. All right, last three. Bolt, hurricane, start. Oh! Oh, too high. Right. Oh. Not today.